Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to fix Gigabyte control center not working. Manually launch Gigabyte control center. If your Gigabyte control center does not start when you are starting your device, first you to do a manual and start check your whether are able to start Gigabyte control center, or if you are not, then press try other fixes section and update the Gigabyte control. Check whether you have the updated latest version of control center from Gigabyte on your device. If you have not, then could be the reason why you are not able to use your Gigabyte control center in your device. Run a virus scan. Run a virus scan to check your corrupted or infected files within Gigabyte control center. Remove any problematic files using your antivirus software and reinstall the Gigabyte control center. Update your BIOS. You should also update your BIOS when you see that Gigabyte control center is not working properly on your device. So you will have to consult a manual provided to your motherboard company updated on your BIOS. Run gmsg.exe. A user has suggested that running gmsg.exe file from device and program files control your center also help in solving the issues of Gigabyte control center not working properly. Uninstall and reinstall the Gigabyte control center. As an alternative solution, you can uninstall the Gigabyte control center and then try to reinstall it again. Some time has passed. If there is a bug in the system Gigabyte, then doing this could be able to solve the issue. Contact the Gigabyte support team, and after you tried all your fixes given in fixes section, and you should be able to fix the issue of the Gigabyte control center not working. However, if you still are not able to do that, then please contact the Gigabyte support team and then able to support them out. Disable the core illusion. As an alternative solution, you can try to uninstall the Gigabyte control center and then try to reinstall it again. Some time has passed, and if there is a bug in the system of Gigabyte, then doing this could be able to solve the issue. And thanks for watching us.